guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing, guess what, we're going to be using I'm going to be using these palettes. Yes, I wanted to revisit these palettes because I know that, you know, Makeup Revolution is always a good investment. Yeah, I was trying to find the word. Makeup Revolution is always a good investment. So I wanted to, because I don't want to have my palettes laying around, and I know that sometimes people buy the palettes but they still have them at home laying around. New palettes come out and we just want to buy. But guess what, we can use our palettes, the palettes that we have, to create looks. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm going to choose one palette to look at, and I'm going to create some like other videos with these palettes, showing you like 3 different looks you can create with the Makeup Revolution's Reloaded palettes. And I'm not going to go into any other palette but the Makeup Revolution's Reloaded palette. So the first palette that we're going to be doing today is the Neutrals 3. This is a Neutrals 3 palette, and I loved this palette when the first time I used this palette. I was in love with this palette because it looks simple, but you can create like a variety of looks with these colors, and they're just very vibrant and neutral at the same time, you know what I'm saying? But the looks that I'm going to create today, they're going to be neutral, but they're not going to be like boring, you know what I'm saying? They're going to be nice colors, okay? Yeah, so we're going to be using this palette. And today, guys, I am going to be using these brushes. These brushes are going to be in my giveaway. So if you remember that I announced some time ago in the giveaway that you can win these brushes, 5 brushes, 5 giveaways per week, because I'm going to give away 5 brushes per week. So you can enter the giveaway, and the giveaways will last like for 1 week. Yes, so these are the brushes that we're going to give away today. And how to enter this giveaway: first, guys, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, where else? Yeah, so follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, and just leave a comment, tell me what brush you would like, or why you would want a brush set, and why you should win the giveaway in the comment section. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna do my brows on camera just cause I'm gonna show you the brushes. And I'm like, Jody, you're gonna show them the brushes, why don't you do it on camera? Yeah, so I'm gonna do my brows on camera. Only one brow though. So I'm just gonna do this one. Just gonna brush it. So see, the spoolie is brushing the brows. So I'm using Fawn mixed with Dark 52. I want the fast dryness from the ColourPop concealer, so that's why we're going in with it, but it's almost finished. Brush. Okay, so we're gonna use this blending brush. This is the 205. I'm gonna use this color, number 4. This color, it's like a nice little burnt orange shade, and this is perfect for dark skin. Right? Oh, take it as my transition shade. Going back in with the blending brush to just blend up here a little bit more. Should I use this one? This color. This golden shade. Yes. Same color, this one. And then we're gonna later go in with this one. But I'll just put on my lashes and come back to you so you can see the final look. Okay guys, so the lashes are on. I'm gonna use this pencil now to just kind of... Oh, I went in, sorry guys, I went in with this black, this one, this, and I just tight line a bit. This color, this color has a transition shade. Guys, this is so fun to do. Oh my gosh. Going in with this color. that one. Okay, I'm going to use this color at the outer corners, this brown. I'm going to blend that. Yes, that's what I did. And I just added it. Okay. And I just clean my brush with a piece of tissue. Yeah, that's what I did, guys. This one. So I'm just gonna add that at the inner portions. This was my concealer brush, but this I used it also to add the shimmery shade, so I can't use this now to do my, cut the crease, because of course it's already packed with product. So I have to use another brush. So this is not the Sylyne 10-piece brush set, but anyway, it should work. But the 10-piece also has a concealer slash shadow brush, so that would work well. But just know that you need, for intricate looks, you need more than one brush. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Okay, we finished that part. Now I'm gonna clean off the brush a bit with this one. This color. This one. Earlier on. This one. Oh, come on, Jody. You can do it. My arms are killing me right here. This one. Alright, so I'm gonna use this brush to kind of blend it out right here. You can use this brush, but the brush is dirty. You can use this brush for the liner, but which is a Sylyne from the 10-piece, but this brush is a little bit dirty with the black thingy that I used to do my brows, and I don't want to use it again because it's just too messy. So I'm using this, and this is just lip color from ColourPop. Sassy, Ellery and ColourPop. Gonna water my line. Gonna line my waterline. Nice. And then I'm gonna use my pencil brush, this one, with the same reddish brownish color. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the eyes. I am done. I'm gonna put my lashes on, finish off my face, and I'll get back to you. Okay. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would really appreciate it. So yes guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to enter my giveaway guys. All the information will be linked in the description. So you can enter, tell your friends, tell your family, everybody just enter. Your chances are so high because it's just a small family of us here. So enter guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think about this video. Yeah. Bye bye.